When visiting Disney parks in Florida, there is a few things that you need to know, and I'm going to tell them to you. Number one, it gets extremely hot in Florida, whether it be in summer, fall, winter, spring, it doesn't really matter. Day, night, it doesn't really matter. It gets hot in Florida. Make sure you drink a lot of water because you don't want to be dehydrated, because there's a lot of people that do during their park days, and it's not a good thing. Number two, it rains a lot in Florida. I mean, a lot in Florida. It could just rain out of the blue. So make sure you have some kind of poncho, umbrella, something that you can put over yourself in case it rains, because you don't want to have to leave when it starts raining and everybody else is leaving too, because that's one of the best times to actually be in the parks is on a rainy day. Number three is plan. Plan. I know that sounds bad, but it's a good thing sometimes, because you want to know what parks you're going to go to make reservations ahead of time. You also want to know what rides you can go on if you have small children for their height requirements, because you don't want to be going to rides that they can't even ride anyways. Number three is you want to have a vacation planner, and I have a good one that we use up in my bio in the links over there. You can contact them. It costs $0 to actually use a vacation planner, and not a lot of people even know that. Number four is just have fun. There's a lot to do. There's a lot to take in, and I know sometimes it can be stressful at times, but just remember you're there to have fun. So let go, have a blast, make memories, and stay for park close, because there's a little thing that you might want to do after the Magic Kingdom closes, and that's take pictures with Cinderella Castle at night with no one there. Yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.